Hello, beautiful souls. It's me, Empress Shay. I'm here to talk to you about healing, love, and becoming who you truly are. And if this message found you, it's not by accident, it's alignment. You are exactly where you are meant to be. And something within you is ready to evolve. So, if you're here right now, it's because you've been already started your journey because we are now on phase 2 of the Saturn conjunct Neptune in Aries healing portal. Phase 1 was about awareness, seeing clearly, recognizing what needed to shift. But phase 2 is where we actually begin to live it. This is where you stop just thinking about change and you start moving differently. This energy is here to help you become more honest with yourself, more confident in who you are, and more intentional with your choices. So, if everything we do here, the lessons, the routines, the journaling, it's all designed to help you step into alignment for real. So before we go any further, take a breath with me. Inhale and release. Let everything else go for a moment, just one moment. Be here fully. This message is for you. And this is where it shifts. Because knowing better only matters when you start to choose better. This is your confirmation. You're ready for the next level. And today's lesson is called Rebuild Your Identity. Become the version you visualize. You cannot create a new life while holding on to an old identity. Saturn in Aries teaches that identity is built through action, while Neptune reveals the vision of who you are capable of being. But the bridge between the two is embodiment. It is not enough to see the vision. You must become it. Many people spend time visualizing their future self, imagining a version of themselves that is confident, disciplined, successful, or at peace. But they continue to operate from their current identity, making decisions, thinking thoughts, and maintaining habits that belong to who they used to be. This creates a disconnect between vision and reality. This lesson is about closing the gap. It is about asking yourself, what does the version of me I'm becoming actually do daily? How do they think? How do they respond? What do they prioritize? And then begin to live from that place now. Identity is not something you wait to grow into. It is something you practice. Every choice you make either reinforces your current identity or builds your new one. Saturn reminds you that repetition creates structure. The more you act in alignment with your future self, the more natural that identity becomes. There may be moments where this feels unfamiliar or even uncomfortable. That is because you are stepping outside of your conditioned patterns. But discomfort is not a sign that you're doing something wrong. It is a sign that you are expanding. You are becoming someone else. You are becoming the most aligned version of yourself. The version that has always existed beneath the limitations, fear, and conditioning. This is your return to truth. So as we move through phase 2, just remember, this isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about showing up differently. Little by little, choice by choice, you're building a version of yourself that actually feels aligned and that matters. So take a breath with me. Inhale and release. Let this settle. Let it stay with you as you move through your day. Now, as we continue this journey together, I want you to work with the messages in a deeper way. Each week, I share zodiac forecasts and a weekly collective reading, and they go together. The zodiac forecast shows you the energy, what energy is happening. It shows you what energy is happening for you individually. You can look at your sun, moon, and rising, and it gives you a clearer picture. And then the weekly reading shows you how that energy may show up in your life. So when you listen to both, things start to make more sense. You get clarity and you move with more intention. And if you feel like going deeper, you can check out my Etsy shop, and that's Healing Exchange, for more details on additional offerings. The link is in the description. And also you can go to my website at healingexchange.net. And our Thursday schedule, that's the weekly collective reading, and then the daily healing portal lessons, and also your cosmic reading is on Saturdays. So this is the space that we have aligned and evolved for you, the collective. So stay aligned and stay evolving. And that's trust the wisdom of your soul. And everything moving forward. Have a wonderful rest of your day. This has been Empress. And remember, be gentle with yourself, because life, it's about the journey, not the destination. You are here now. Enjoy it, my love. Enjoy.